Hey everybody, it's me, Sissy, back with the Dollar Tree haul for you. And it looks like this might be my last Dollar Tree haul for a while, at least until things improve or I run out of stuff. But anyway, this is from a couple of several different visits to the Dollar Tree, and then I have a few items from Dollar General also, and some craft stuff, and then some home stuff. But anyway, let's get right to it. I'll start with my favorite thing I found was this Perpetual Calendar, and it says Shine Bright on it, but I think I'm going to do a little DIY on this, and hopefully I'll share that with y'all. Trying to get into a routine and try to have a little bit of normalcy. So anyway, then I got this cute little and this Shine Bright calendar. It's just a Greenbrier product, and it has the months, and then you can change the days on it. So, and then this is a Greenbrier project also, just the Happy Easter. And as I said in some of my other videos, I got a new sublimation printer, and I've watched a lot of videos, so I'm going to try to fix this and sublimate on it, which is an ink dyeing process. But anyway, if it works out, y'all will see a video on it, I hope. But anyway, I got some stuff to try to maybe keep me busy if my work sends us home. Right now we're essential. They say we're essential, but anyway, we'll see. I picked up 2 cans of this Extra Care Women's Dry Antiperspirant Spray. I love this. I hate when you spray it and you get all wet, so I picked up 2 cans of that. It's great to just keep on hand. And I got the Power Stick Powder Fresh. A little double protection, you know, because I seem to be sweating a lot lately. Worrying, but I picked up some of the Cooking Concepts parchment paper, and this is great. This is 10 sheets in here. They're 15 by 12, and I got a heat press because I have, some of y'all know I have a Cricut, and I do like vinyl t-shirts and stuff. I didn't do this one, but you can use this, put the parchment paper on top of your vinyl so you don't burn your fabric or your vinyl or damage your heat press. And it's good for when you're doing sublimation printing too, because when you sublimate, it turns the ink into a gas, and sometimes it'll go up and it'll get on your press. So if you have the parchment paper, it kind of absorbs it for you. So I got 2 packs of that. Usually I have been ordering rolls of it from Amazon, but they're kind of like not delivering non-essentials right now. So I picked up one of the Tool Bench paint roller sets. I've got a craft project in my kitchen. I finally started working on my kitchen, and I'm going to turn the camera around just for a second, and y'all can see I'm working on my coffee bar. So I'm going to turn around, and don't look at my mess on my table. But I got that wall, I finished wallpaper in the wall and got my shelf up. And I want to put some more things up there. I've got an old 9-pane window that I'm going to sand down and repaint. I want to hang it up there, but I can't think what I want to put behind it, but I'm working on that. And then I'm going to redo that hutch back there that my coffee stuff is sitting on. But anyway, now back to the video. I'm just all over the place now. Y'all excuse me. There we go. There we go. Alright, back to the video. Picked up one of these little crafter squares, little wood plaque, and beautiful flowers. Appears that we're gonna have to miss the flower show this year. The county next over from us, Florence County, they usually have a big farmers market flower show, and me and some ladies from work had made plans to go, but that's been canceled. So, but this is cute. I got a this is larkspur, and then just the bouquets. All the gorgeous spring colors are so pretty. So these are actually for a wreath that I'm working on. So I still have my St. Patrick's Day one up, so I hope to make a Easter one. and then just a spring summer one. But okay, and then I got some of the spa soap, antibacterial. I know that what we're fighting is not bacterial, it's a virus, but clean hands. Just keep clean hands, y'all. If you don't have hand sanitizer, is if you don't have soap and warm water. So soap and warm water kill germs. And Clorox wipes have been hard to find. I do have a few, but I picked up a few of these little containers here and a few packs of the microfiber cloths, and I have some bleach, so I'm gonna a little bit of bleach, a little bit of water, put my cloths in here, and then I have reusable Clorox wipes so I can sanitize doorknobs and whatever else gets touched. Being very, very careful because of Mom. She couldn't take it if she got it. The regular flu she had at Christmas liked to have been too much for her. But I got some antibacterial spick and span, and this says it kills bacteria and viruses, so I got that. And I got the spray one, which, let's see. This one has 22 ounces. This one has 28 ounces. But I figured this was a good deal since I needed a spray bottle anyway, so I picked that up. Then I picked up some of the pet stain odor stuff. This is great to have, especially if you have carpet. But I got a ruggable. I mean, you might have seen the ads for ruggable. It's the rug that you can get up and throw in your washing machine. That is the bomb. That rug, you just take it. It's got a good weight to it, but it's not real stiff. It folds up really nice. You can throw it in just a regular top load washer. I wash it, put it in the dryer low, tumble dry it, put it back down. I've had it 6 months. It looks brand new. It is wonderful. I love it. So it was kind of pricey for me. I would never have paid. I think altogether it was $200 for an 8x10 rug. And it comes with a mat that goes under it. You take that mat and you can rinse it off or wipe it with soap and water, but it doesn't go in the washing machine. I usually just take mine outside, hang it on the fence, hose it off if the dogs have had an accident, and it has just made a world of difference. No pet odors in my house. Okay, back to, I've got ADD today, y'all. ADD. Anyway, back to the video, okay. I picked up some of these Assured 100% cotton rounds. These are great. I like to use these to take off my eye makeup or nail polish. And I'd use it in the crafts too. I picked up this super bright desk lamp. I thought this would be good for like little tasks I'm working on, like my crafts when I need a spotlight. My eyes are getting a little old and I can't see all that well. Oh, here's some more washcloths for my do-it-yourself Clorox wipes. And picked up some batteries for the light. And these cute little 3-piece jars with all the hand sanitizer and hand washing. I'm just going to put me a little lotion in here. My hands are getting so dry, and I tell you, hand sanitizer is nice, but it finds every little cut on your hand. Woo! And I was lucky enough to find the butter dish and the salt and pepper shakers, so I'm going to jump on that bandwagon. Everybody's doing DIYs using them, so I'm going to try to get in on that. And I think that's about all of my crafty. No, here's a little more craft stuff. I picked up some of this natural raffia in 3 different colors. That's good. I love that. That's good to craft with, and it's pretty to wrap on presents. And I picked up some of my doggy poop bags. And these are the last 2 craft items. These gorgeous kind of wood-toned, goldy colored plates. I'm going to see if I can put some stain on them and make them not so gold looking. I'm trying to make them more wood looking, if you know what I mean. But we'll see about that, because I got an idea of something I want to put on one. The rest of this is just some stock up food stuff, just in case. I got, I was going to try this pink salmon. My grocery stores have been picked over bare, and there's too many people in there, and I just go in it and I just think I can feel the germs getting on me. So this is premium white chicken. I thought that would be good if, you know, if it tastes decent, and I could just whip up a little chicken salad sandwich or something. Then I got some snacks for my son. Zappo voodoo chips. To my way of thinking, these are the best chips in the world. I'm trying to stay with the low carb thing. I have done some stress eating. I'm trying to, because I feel so much better when I do low carb, but sometimes I just need some ice cream. But anyway, I picked him up some corn nuts, which the snack foods he gets usually are the ones I can't stand. I can't stand corn nuts. I can't stand to smell them, so those are safe around me. And I picked him up a big box of pasta, so that'll hold him a while. And he loves these little bottles of sparkling grape juice. I looked in Walmart to get him a big bottle. No, they didn't have any. So I just got him those two. And then I picked him up some jelly beans, assorted and sour. These are the Jelly Bellies, so he likes those. And I picked him up the combo tray nachos, and he just adds some hamburger and a little side salad, you know, chopped up lettuce and tomato, and he makes a meal out of that. So that's a quick and easy thing for me. So let me move this out of the way. I am on the hunt for bleach. My Dollar Tree didn't have any bleach, so I'm hoping I can find some more soon. But I got some not dish detergent. The LA's Totally Awesome laundry detergent. I just grabbed 2 of those. And that is it for my Dollar Tree stuff. Now I want to show you some cute little things that I got. Oh, and I picked up this cup. It has a lid. It was a 2-pack, and it says Live Happy on it, and it comes with the cap and the straw. So I picked that up. And let's see. I was able to find these wipes, and don't these look familiar? This looks just like the ones they sell in Dollar Tree. But I did get this at Dollar General, and I got the Dollar General disinfectant wipes. So that was a good find. And I was able to find a couple of cans of the Dollar General disinfectant spray. And then just some household peroxide. But this is the cute thing that I got. Isn't this little piggy dish so cute? He was $6, but I thought he was adorable. So I just had to have him so he could go in my kitchen on my shelf. And I found this little chicken sign, which is it's gonna be for a DIY in that chicken. And this is, I thought this was cute because it comes with a stick or a hook, so you can take the stick off, which I was going to do anyway. But I'm going to make a little DIY with that for my kitchen. It's really cute. And then I got this for my dear friend who's going through a lot on top of all this crazy virus stuff in her life. But she is a bike rider, so I got her this. I thought it was really cute. As soon as I saw it, I thought of her. But anyway, y'all, that is hopefully not my last Dollar Tree haul, but it probably will be a while before I have another one. I'm trying not to go in and out of the house so much. I have to go to work, but I'm trying to stay out of the stores because it's crazy out there. But I do want to give a shout out to one of my viewers, Tammy Anderson. She ran into me. I ran into her at Walmart, and she came up and asked, "Are you on YouTube?" And I'm like, "Yes, I am." So that was really cool. I thought it was cool that somebody actually recognized me and came and spoke to me. So, but anyway, I'm gonna try to get back to the videos. I'm a little stressed right now with my mama and work and the what's going on. So, you know, I say Sissy can do it. I can do it. I can make it through it. You can make it through it. We can all stay safe. Wash your hands. Be careful. love everybody and be good to yourself. And I have had to turn the TV off because I've become obsessive about it. I turned the TV on and like, update. What channel? What's on this channel? What's on that channel? What are they saying? And a lot of it is, I'm not going to say it's not true, but some of it's sensationalized just to make you scared. I mean, it is scary. A lot of it is scary, and I don't for a minute think that is not true. I know it's true, but I think there's such a thing as too much of it. So I'm trying to just go on in the morning, catch up with what happened overnight, and turn it off. Me knowing how many cases there are every 5 minutes, it's not going to make it any different. So when we do have some cases of it here in my town, and it is scary, but get out there, don't leave your house, stay in your house. Do what you can at home. Read a book, watch TV, learn a craft, do something. Just don't go out. Stay home. I'm not going to tell you to go shopping, because please don't go shopping. I would tell you to shop online if you can get it delivered. But love y'all. Stay safe, and hopefully I'll be back with some craft videos. The only upside I can see is that if I do get sent home from work, be more time for craft videos. Maybe I could clean my house off. But anyway, y'all have a great day. Bye.